Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix camera not working in Google Meet. So make sure you will be on your Google website, and you will be just tap on it three dots of the Google browser settings, and I will be just get in the settings, and in the left side you will see the privacy and security. I will just tap on it, and if I just scroll down, so in the last you will see the settings, site settings. So I will just tap on it simply. So example, if your recently activity, like example, this is the Google Meet. So you will just check your camera has been blocked or allow. So if has been blocked, you will just simply tap on it allow in your Google Meet. So your problem has been fixed. So in this way you will just fix your camera not working in Google Meet. But when you just allow it from the permissions in the browser setting, so you will be able to use it. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.